What's up, people? What's up? What's up? Your girl Bamba here. Mm-hmm. People, happy what? Today's what? Wednesday? Yeah. Hope you well we reached about half of the day already. So hope you all had a great morning. Now it's in afternoon now. Mm-hmm. All right, people. We could just jump in it now. We're talking about that little that woman there. But when time she attack, she have a bag of mucus in her throat. Yeah, one bag of mucus in her throat. Yeah, she same one from over the 8 camp. Mm-hmm. Me no know, but it's like she have a problem with prosperity. She have a problem with young people who excel for greatness. Yeah, she have a problem with young people. Yeah, I don't know why she won't leave that young lady alone. Shanae Bowes. I don't know why she don't leave that young lady alone. Me say me, I forgot fast people. Because I'm a blogger. Yeah. And I don't like hear her voice because it sounds so annoying. Yeah. But me I have to bear it. Come have to bring the news to Uno. You understand? Come on not like listen to her. And Uno nothing go over there. Now go over there go get her enough news. Don't go over there. Yes, do not go over there. Uno have enough blogger for bring the news come go now. All right, now go over there. Yeah, coming on, I can't bear ear advice. Mm-hmm. But me will bear it. We will bear it. Yeah, cause we are work. Mm-hmm. Yes, she texted pan the little girl. Me here over there talk. Oh, me no know the little money where Shani Bose get. It literally a mother. She a get mad over it. She'll get mad over it. Yeah, it a kill her. It a do something to her. Yeah. She over there talk about how the little girl, the young lady, she must go work because she workless. And the planka boss a create um worthless people. That's just saying the planka boss a create worthless people. And all I see happening is helping to keep young people in school, in university, a matter of fact. Yeah. People, kids who, them I do probably them third year, them second year or whatever. Even if them a start, you know, to help them. And Shani Bose, I try help herself too, because she have a YouTube channel and she a blogger, she a do her thing and she a get the support and she monetize. She's if I even lunch money, she a get and little money, for send her go to school. I remember she have a child. You understand? Remember, she have a child. I remember she have a brother who kind of little sick where, so the mother have to take care of him. So she have to take care of herself and for her child. I don't know what to that woman they do. I don't know why she vex. Because she never choose education. And it's not too late, woman. It's not too late. You can go back to school because you're very, very dumb. You're dumb, you're dumb like rock. You're not even a try learn. You're not even a try learn. When you make your friend teacher, when I make speaker the house teacher, she go use the little 10-year-old girl. The little 10-year-old girl, but Mr. One 10-year-old girl on the internet and my heart bleed. So me say do your research. No, not at all. Where your heart a bleed for? Hmm? Where your heart a bleed for? Your heart for bleed because you're dunce. And that's your heart for bleed for. And you're wicked and corrupt and full of hate. And that's your heart for bleed for. Because the little girl go to school. The little girl mother don't have her out there selling any jelly. The lady made that clear that her child is not selling any jelly. Yes, she come from school and she go out there so with her mother. Her mother not gonna leave her alone at the yard. She out there so with her mother. And she did it with her mother. And she did it. And she love jelly. Her mother says she love jelly. And anytime she come, she drink jelly. No mind she have to drink out the whole of her profit. So her mother did just step off for a minute, run, go do something, and leave her there. She never tell her to sell nothing or nothing at all. But eventually, the little girl help herself and chop her jelly and drink. That's all. And two somebody might come for buy jelly and she say, hey, me I go sell them. What is wrong with you? You don't have any sense. You can't comprehend. Oh, you dumb, sir. But your heart bleed. Like I said, the woman have her pitney out there sell jelly. You see the woman have her pitney out there sell jelly. You cannot comprehend. You don't have any sense, you dumbass. I don't know what is wrong with you. Leave Shanae Bo alone. Me don't know why the money bunny so. The money bunny you got to talk about the girl, Shanae Bo not going to school. The little girl went back. The young lady went back to school and start her second edition 4 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago, she started school and start her second edition. Oh my God, why you don't do your research before you start talk your bag of garbage out of your mouth, woman? Why don't do your research? But no, for you to read, it is boring. Yeah, you can't make me see people where them claims you can't read or write, do them research, and when them come on the blouse and skirt, internet come black, them black sensible. Are you alone? You're afraid of blouse and skirt words. You're afraid for read. You don't want to help yourself. You don't want to try. I chat things where you don't know. I talk about say the girl don't go back at school. And just because she was showing somebody, she was showing a little demonstration how to do the to test your breast. You know, find out if you have breast cancer, also if you feel any lump in your breast. Yeah, use it. And I talk about say I met joke about she soon change her career and soon so she have to go pay. She soon want money from the plank of them to pay for new career. You dumb and fool and no sense. You're supposed to know. You're supposed to know how to do how to do the test. You're supposed to know how to test yourself, how to say if you demonstrate on your own self to see how if you have any lump in your breast. Everybody should know that. That a protocol for women. We supposed to all know that, you dumb ass. You sick stomach. I can't stand you. Me no know where don't leave the woman pitney alone. I want to you and young people. Eh? I know Shanae fault. Why you never get to go to school? Why you never grasp nothing when you were going to school? If you go to school, I know Shanae Bow's fault. I know your fault. Make your childhood did full of drama, miserable. I make you grow in a one dysfunctional family. It's not Shanae Bow fault. Leave the young people them in Jamaica alone. Leave them alone. Me don't know we are talking about create worthlessness. What kind of create worthlessness? And the lady helping people who are in university or want to go to university. So one of the young lady she help. She's supposed to get $1 million from the government to borrow student loan. She never get all now she not get receive it. It's our third year and she gets help. What is wrong with that? You don't want to see a better Jamaica woman? Eh? You don't want to see a better Jamaica? Where you want to have a bag of fools like you? Eh? Me say, you sit in the stomach, I can't stand you. You just chat a bag of garbage. I talk about the girl that on internet, a beg. Who stop you from beg? You're begging at the decay we come here, you beg money for go for go on vacation. Yeah. Una forgive me a vacation for them news, yeah, know. Una should I pay money for my vacation, you know. Yeah, begging at the decay we just the same. All hazard. You're begging the Kai way, same way. You beg. Please. Anybody have them platform and beg if they want beg, put up GoFundMe if they want put up GoFundMe. Who no want beg for them business that and nothing don't wrong if they don't want to. And nothing don't wrong with who beg. A whole of time people put. Me no know who have time for sit down every day on internet. Try get content, sit down and chat. Unless you're in your business place a chat, unless you are doing something where making make money then meanwhile yeah reason with the people then. You understand? Unless you do that and then you say you don't wanna pay. But you are going to find time every day for come on internet, sit down much late night, this, that. Come on. Why wouldn't you want to get paid? Come on, shut up your damn blasted mouth. I mind your blinking false teeth drop out. I'm going to know warm to you. I don't know how the Plankabas helping young people to stay in university. You call that worthless. How that for me worthless? Eh? Where worthless are going at that? You see, say no sense. You just say you fight a losing battle, man. We not give up. Eh? I say if you can and go enjoy the rest of your life. Remember you past 50 now, we know. Go say if you enjoy the rest of your life, you're half your century now, we know. Go say if you can enjoy the rest of your life and leave the young people them alone. Good Lord, leave the young people them alone, man. I know, just because you don't see education as nothing, you know, all education has no value, you know, is nothing to you, you know, nothing to you to be educated. Come on, what is wrong with you? You talk about say the girl have 20 odd subject and about you never know say them have so much subject at school. So you sound dumb, so you sound fool. She do the whole 20 of them if you say so. She do the whole of them one time. You fool not duck. And I have no sense. Like you have a problem with people who want to excel and go into a better place. We have to have everybody. We have to have liar. And we have to need liar for somebody like you. You are going to need a liar. Yes, you are going to need a liar. You damn worthless piece of shit, you. Leave the woman Pitney alone, man. And go one side. People, we don't know what to do, you know. Just do the do and bless up with yourself and enjoy the rest of the day. Come in and get you no more my time. Yeah. 12 minutes, 2 seconds. That is good enough for her. Peace out.